Hello, welcome to a tutorial video for the Strike and Dip Virtual Reality tool. Today I will be covering the controls used for the Oculus Quest version of this program. Pressing the X button or the A button will activate the button guides, which display descriptions of what each button does. Pressing the Y or B button will open or close the menu. Touching the joystick will activate the selection pointer, which is used for interacting with menus. Clicking or pressing down on the joystick will activate the teleportation arc. Pulling the trigger button will activate any menu items hit by the selection pointer. Holding down the grip button allows users to grab movable objects within the program.